likely to be a stormy session as Parliament opens for the second half of the budget session today. The opposition is planning to attack the UPA government over the JPC draft report on the 2G spectrum scam. The opposition is seeing red as the draft report raises questions on BJP icon and former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee and gives a clean chit to the incumbent Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and P. Chidambaram. It instead puts the blame squarely on A. Raja for misleading the Prime Minister on procedure for the release of telecom licenses. It further claims that the Prime Minister and the Finance Minister were not informed of the changes made by A. Raja to favour a few firms. Reports also trash, in fact, the loss theory. That's what the JPC report says, that by claiming revenue generation, that was never the objective of the first come first serve policy, thereby directly dismissing the 1.76 lakh crore rupees figure as unrealistic. The report further goes on to reveal a brand new scam under NDA regime worth 40,080 crore rupees, blaming the then telecom minister Jagmohan. Late BJP stalwart Pramod Mahajan is also accused of causing loss with spectrum allocation. The BJP plans to turn it into a major issue and hit the streets across the country if the JPC report is indeed found to have named Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The report, which has been hurriedly completed with BJP and left protesting strongly, is expected to be tabled in this half of the budget session.
जब तक जेपीसी की रिपोर्ट संसद में रखी नहीं जाएगी, तब तक किसी तरह की टिप्पणी करने का कोई नैतिक अधिकार न हमको है, न कोई क्वेश्चन करने का अधिकार आपको।
अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जो 4 वर्षों से बिस्तर पर पड़े हुए, उस अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी के ऊपर भी यह उंगली उठाई गई कि अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी के शासनकाल में भी 48,000 करोड़ रुपए की गड़बड़ी हुई।
पूरी निर्लज्जता के साथ जेपीसी ने उसमें प्रधानमंत्री मनमोहन सिंह और तत्कालीन वित्त मंत्री पी चिदम्बरम को पूरी तरह से बरी कर दिया है। लेकिन इतना ही नहीं किया, सबसे निष्कलंक प्रधानमंत्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी को कटघरे में खड़ा करते हुए उनके सिर दोष मढ़ने का काम किया।
How the report was leaked, that is a serious matter, and I have taken it up earlier, saying that whether this is a breach of privilege of Parliament.
Well, that certainly is a spark that can cause a fire, and despite a clean chit, the UPA is still in the dock. This, as the chief architect of the 2G scam, that is A. Raja, is threatening now to submit documents to prove that the PM and Finance Minister were party to the decision. Let's take a look now at what the JPC's findings are and what A. Raja says. The JPC finding says, misled the Prime Minister on the procedure for grant of license. However, A. Raja refutes that and says the Prime Minister and the FM both approved the spectrum allocation. The report says that Raja forged a press release setting out the criteria for licenses. However, former telecom minister says that the press release was approved by the law officer, that is G.E. Vahanvati. And Raja also unfairly advanced the cut-off date for 2G applicants. That's what the report says. However, A. Raja contests that, saying the cut-off date changed to cap applicants for the scarce spectrum. That's a scarce resource, according to him. Next, in fact, the JPC findings talk about the cut-off date, which we've already pointed out, are being contested by A. Raja. These are the findings of the report, which are controversial and are likely to cause a storm in Parliament.